Well, there's a new event called Friends and Fenders up here in Grass Valley. So great day to get out and check out some cars. So rode the bike up and check out this VW Transport, and it's slammed. Really cool. Really cool. I've always wanted one of these to maybe transport one of my bikes around, but really nice ride. And then check out this Ural. Real nice Ural. I've always wanted a sidecar rig. This is a nice one. And check out this Porsche, my gosh. That is, as my friend Robert would say, good for racing. Check this out. Check it out. Oh, love it. Love the Red Bull bodywork.
It's not your first time getting it, is it? What? After all these?
These are some cool rat rods. Look at that. That is so cool. Couple of neat rat rods here. Look at that. Did a nice job on this one. Oh, love the little 76 dipstick. Very cool, very cool. Look at this beautiful 356. Absolutely gorgeous 356. 356C. Beautiful, beautiful car. Beautiful car. Oh, look at this beautiful 911. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous 911. I'm guessing it's probably a 69 maybe, because it's a long wheelbase 911. It's long wheelbase body. So maybe like 69 or 70, but just beautiful, just beautiful. I haven't seen any with this type of cover on it before. Normally they just have the sugar scoops open, but that is neat. That is really, really clean. Really clean. Let's get a closer look at this sucker.
Yeah, sit there and roast.
Look at that.
Yeah, I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna buy it. You can rent one if you want.
He had a scar at Waterman once.
I don't know. You never know.
Johnny Perkins there.
Man, very cool.
Anyway, guys, sounds cool.
Looks like they're getting ready to fire this one up. So. This quick car, love it. Little McLaren. Beautiful car. Love that orange. Love that orange. this Trans Am? Looks like it, yeah. Is it a Trans Am? Pontiac, love it. Love it. Nice Trans Am. Very nice. Wow, look at that. That's ready to go racing. We got a nice Mercedes back here. Let's see what this is. Really cool Mercedes. Little old 280 SE, so it's a gas one. But very cool. Very cool. And it looks like this Porsche is getting ready to go racing. Yeah. Looks like they're gonna. That's kind of neat. Instead of shaving the door handles, they just put a little latch in it. Check out these bikes. So it looks like this is a Jawa. You don't see a lot of Jawas out in the wild. That's a neat one. Very, very neat. So this one's a 1967 250. A nice old Husky here. Nice Husky. So what is this? This is a 360 Viking from 1967. That's pretty cool. Great to see these interesting bikes. And got another Porsche here. Big old ducktail. And this one's looks like it's street legal, but just hanging out. Beautifully done. Beautifully restored Porsche. Yeah, love that ducktail. Looks like a lot like my friend Mike's car. What's in yellow. But this one's in nice orange or tangerine. Beautiful car. Beautiful car. Now check out this multicolored thing here. Check out this. I think this is a fully race prepped Porsche. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it. Stay flossy. And then look, it's got an air conditioner in here. Blow into your race suit. Very cool. Cool. Looks like this Porsche is ready for racing. RS. Love those plaid seats. Look at those neat seats. Very vintage looking. GT2RS. I love me a wagon. Love me a wagon. So nice Audi RS6 wagon. Looks like it's for sale. Black on black with red stitching. That looks real nice. That's real nice. Yeah, nice little Ferrari here. Check out that carbon fiber. Look at that.
So you still want to hook up tomorrow or what?
Check out this nice Mercedes over here. Nice Mercedes sedan. Really nice. Really nice. What is it, a diesel? A 220 diesel. Very nice. And then right next to it, Datsun 240Z. Love this color. It's a nice color. Looks like it's been repainted, resprayed, but really nicely done. Carbon fiber hood. Nice. Oh, looks like that Porsche is taken off. Love the sound of that air-cooled goodness.